YouTube? What's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? You already know what time it is. So I know you see that title or whatever. So today I'm just going to show you guys a simple everyday look, full beat, but not too much type of beat. So I already started on the brows, you know, don't worry. This is all going to come together at the end. But before we even get into the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell to know the next time I post. And for all my newcomers, welcome, welcome, welcome. My name is Adriana. This is Adriana's Time. Welcome to my channel where you have vlogs, pranks, you know, makeup tutorials, all that good stuff. So we're just going to hop right into the video. And I'm probably going to be coming in and out speaking. But if not, you guys can just watch me create this look. Alright guys, so fast forward, I already did the brows like I stated before. So now we just gonna go in with the foundation because I'm not doing any eyeshadow. So I'm gonna take my Tarte Double Duty Beauty foundation in the color 60 N Mahogany. So that's my skin color. You get yours preferably. So I'm just gonna take my DUcare foundation brush. I believe this is a foundation brush. If it's not, then it's not. No, I only take little and I just try to apply because a little goes a long way. Full coverage for my head as possible. But see, as though I'm laying my hair down and trying to just get it everywhere I can and even it out. You see how flawless? You see how flawless that look? Look at that curve, baby. Baby. Stop playing. Then you want to do down the neck because you want to, you know what I'm saying, you want to make sure that the neck matches. It can't be two different skin colors, honey. It has to be even out. I should have done wing first, but damn, I'll fix it. Listen, I know my hands look crazy, but baby, I had to do this wing. Now tell me if these sisters or twins. Comment down below. Alright, so next we're gonna go with our LA Pro Girl concealer. I don't know what color this is. This is color toffee. And I'm gonna go in with the same brand in the color Beautiful Bronze. So we're gonna do this first, and then we're gonna go in this because it's like I like my under eye bright, but then not too. You know what? I'm gonna be brave. Scratch that. Same brand. I'm gonna use Fawn and Toffee. Fawn and Toffee is what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna put on. Which one is that? This first, and then this. I'm gonna just be brave, you know. I'm gonna just be brave and ooh, that's a lot. It's blending, honey. You have to blend. Like, if you don't, it's like a crime if you don't blend. So, honey, as long as it takes you, you gotta blend it out. You just have to. You know? Do what you gotta do. Do what you gotta do. Because at the end of the day, you're snatched. You are snatched. So it don't even matter at this point. I'm gonna go in with the color Toffee with LA Program. No, I'm sorry, Beautiful Bronze. I'm just toning it down a little. Just a little bit, you know. Just a dab. You see that? It's a dab, baby. It's just a dab. See? I'm toning it down. Because I want that highlight, but I don't want to look like a ghost, you know? And I know y'all still not with me right now. But baby, just wait. Just wait. And she's gonna contour. And I'm gonna take my cream contour palette, my True Complexion cream contour palette, medium to dark, from my local Walmart, you know? And I'm just gonna swoop. See that? Swoop. Baby. Just wait a minute. Just wait a minute. Okay, so now we gotta do the lashes. We can't go out the lashes. We gotta have the lashes. So I'm taking my Adhesive Kiss Lash Strip Glue. And you know, I'm just gonna paint this on. Let it sit, let it dry.
Oh, you better not hit that. Oh, shit. I tried.
All right, so I'm gonna let that dry. While that's drying, it's time to bake. I have to use my Fit Me in the color 330 Toffee. This is a powder Maybelline Fit Me New York. I believe that's what it's called. And I'm just going to set it. I'm going to press it in. I'm going to do exactly this because I used to always have flashback, and I used to just sit it like it was like finishing powder, but it's not. It's just you dab it in, and then I'm gonna go in with my black opal, and then I'm gonna set that.
That's good. I'm out. Let's get it. Oh, you should let me take that one.
So a little goes a long way. So I'm just gonna.
One of you gonna take.
And there you have it, baby. I'm with that side. Oh. All right, so now my favorite part, the lips. So I always have foundation on my lip. I want to make sure I get all of that off. And since it's like an everyday look, I'm going to take my brown pencil I got from my local beauty store in the color mocha. And I'm just going to line my lips. It just does, baby. Like, it just does. Then I'm gonna take a lip gloss I got from my local beauty store. I ran through this, so I don't even know. This is Nanacoco in 22-116 Cappuccino. I was able to find it because earlier I wasn't able to find it. So then I'm just gonna.
Oh shit.
I know I look crazy right now, but just wait. You feel me? Like,
I guess so.
just wait. You know what I'm saying? And I like a lot of lip gloss, I'm not even gonna lie. Because I like for my lips to be extra, extra juicy. Like I said, I look crazy right now, but hold on. You know what I forgot to put on? My primer. And this was the Revolution Matte Fixin' Primer. I'm going to take my Crystal Gloss Sheen Butter. This is Red Kiss by Kiss. And this is like $1.99 at my local beauty store. It's real sticky. That's the only thing. Like, it's real sticky. So you just want to rub that together now and do that. So next I'm going to put on my lashes because they're done drying. Just going to dust away any excess powder. This is not working. This is not working. Mm-hmm. So now I'm going to take my Matte Finish Mini Matte NYC Professional Makeup Finishing Spray, and I'm just going to spray for full coverage. There's a lot around my face, and I want to make sure that dries. Baby, who are you? Who am I? Like, really? Period. And for my finishing touches, I'm actually going to use this brush. I'm going to take my Revolution Makeup Revolution London Vintage Lace Blush Pigment Blusher Palette. Try to say that 3 times. And I'm gonna take the cream type of color for my cheeks. I just feel like that on dark skin, it's just lovely. Now I'm just gonna dust some on. Oh, you see that? It's just perfection. It's just, you can do a little, you can do a lot. If you wanna go haywire, hey baby, it's up to you.
Yo,
and I know what you're saying, like, every day, girl, that's a lot for every. Yes, it's my everyday. Every day. It's like glam, but then it's like, honey, you're really focused. I feel like you're focused on the eyes. Like, you're really just like, ooh, who is that? Like, and that is my finished look. Alright, you guys, that is my finished look. I appreciate you guys for watching. I know my braids are a little crinkly. I just took them out on my wrap. But if you guys want to see how I did my, what are they calling it now? My what was that rapper that passed away recently? Pop Smoke braids. You know, I tried it. I'm not no professional, but if you guys want to see the tutorial on how I did these braids, make sure you guys leave a comment down below. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at prettylips_allday, Facebook at Adriana Jefferson, Snapchat AJJefferson81, and TikTok at prettylips22. I will leave all that in the description box down below. Also, I will leave all the product I use down below with this, you know, basic. Well, it's not basic because I'm not a basic type of girl, but you know, it's a everyday, you know, type of look I will wear for me personally. Some may say it's a little too much, but personally, I just believe that it's not a lot as what I would do, because I could be here all day and it could be longer. But yeah, make sure you guys leave a comment down below and see how I did this look. And also, like I said, I will be doing a Q&A. I might load that before this video or after this video, either or. You guys can check that out on my channel. It will be coming soon. And my name is Adriana. This is Adriana Time. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Peace.